This Shopify app made me $5,600 in 1 month while spending only $70 on that app. So guys, the Shopify app I was talking about is called SMSBump. But make sure to stay till the end of this video because I will be announcing a sweet giveaway. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But let's go back to the SMSBump app. So as you can see, it made me $5,650 in around around 30 days, right? So what I really like about this app is I spent only $71 to get 5,600 in sales, which is really amazing. As you can see, the ROI of this app is 7,900%, which is amazing. Like guys, as you can see, in total, I made around $225K in the last 40 days. So $5,600 isn't that much, right? But the great thing is the return on the investment, which is so high on this app. As you can see, I got 133 sales and spent only 71 bucks, which is around 50 cents, around half a dollar to get a sale. If we look at my ads manager, in my ads manager, I'm spending $15 to get one sale, So with SMSBump, I'm spending only half a dollar to get a sale, which is really, really cheap, So this is what I really like about the app. As you guys can see, I'm gonna show you how this app works. So this app is just abandoned cart, SMS marketing. So it's abandoned cart text messages, but you can also do SMS campaigns. As you can see, all the money was done with the abandoned cart, and I'm gonna share with you guys my templates, the text messages that I use down below, so you guys can get 7,800 or 900% ROI with this app. So I'm gonna share that down below in the description. But as you can see, this has so many features like shipping confirmation, subscription, So this app has a lot of features. So far, I've just been using the abandoned cart, But what's really great about this app is it's very simple to use. You just click on the best practices and there's a step-by-step guide on how to set up the app. So it takes probably 15 minutes or 20 minutes for you to set it up. With my templates, it's going to be even faster, 10 minutes. And you'll be using this app, in 10 minutes. It also has video tutorials, if you're really stuck. So this is also great. And it also has a lot of other features that I haven't explored yet. So this app is so good, guys. Also, this app is completely free. It's a pay as you go. So, you start you just add in 25 bucks and then it starts spending I don't know, 20 cents or 10 cents per text message or something like that. It's very cheap, So yeah, you guys can see, this app is zero risk, because it's free. You just spend maybe 25 bucks on it and you'll start getting sales with this app. So I highly recommend this app to anyone who's looking to just make sales and make profitable sales. So guys, it's time for a giveaway. So the first prize winner will win a 30-minute coaching call with me and $50 credit at SMSBump. The second place winner will win just $50 credit at SMSBump. And the way you enter this giveaway is by liking the video, sharing it, and commenting on this video. And also there is going to be a separate post on Instagram where you should tag your friends that are into e-com. And the more you comment, the more friends you tag, the higher the chance of winning, guys. The winner is going to be announced in about a week on my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram. So make sure to follow me there as well and to subscribe to this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one.